Again, we're talking about a constitutional amendment that is the result of an initiative, and it was the will of the people to pass this particular amendment. As Attorney General, I will continue to defend that constitutional amendment as it goes through the appeal process, and as we see what the precedent is at the United States Supreme Court and at the Ninth Circuit, we can make decisions about whether or not to continue the appeal, but absolutely we need to continue to defend a constitutional amendment that was the will of the people and is on the books right now.
Once again, as the Attorney General, you don't get to pick and choose which laws or which parts of the Constitution you will defend or won't defend. You have an obligation to defend the Constitution, and that includes what was passed by the Arizona voters. So, yes, I do believe as the state of Arizona, we have an obligation to continue to fight that, and until the court tells us otherwise, that's your obligation. But I do think that, there's this focus, the first couple of questions are on social issues, but I think that most Arizona voters, day in and day out, worry about who is going to protect their families. And as the only person that's actually prosecuted violent felons, the only person that's actually done criminal jury trials in both the federal and state system, the only person that ran a law enforcement agency for 4.5 years, Arizona voters want and expect us to talk about who's going to keep us safe, who is exaggerating their resume versus who is being straight with them, and what their experiences are and what they intend to do with that office. And that's why I think we need to get back to the focus of protecting our families, making sure that we have a prosecutor as our Attorney General who's going to work with federal, state, and local law enforcement to keep us safe.